Hello everybody, I hope all of you are doing fine. Today I come up with a new video of Excel. I would like to show you some various options of the paste that how you can how you can make your work easy and useful and save the time also. So let's start the video now. Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank you very much for the videos earlier I posted, and I got a very positive reply. Although they were basic videos, but the overwhelming reply I got from all of you is very encouraging to me. So actually, I started with a slow pace. That I start with the basic thing first, and then I will go for the peak. So you guys go and find problems and difficulties. So today I'm going to tell you about some paste option. One way of doing paste is that simply Control C and Control P, or you can go to copy here and then you paste here. So everything is paste, but see the value is 7,500 and 500, and here 42,500. So it actually copy each and everything, including formula, including each and everything formats. So I'm going to tell you that how you can resolve this issue. I design a basic sheet. Let me explain this sheet. There are regions and there are some values, units sold by each region, and then sales value. The sales price is 25, so I multiply the units with sale price, and I find the values. Variable cost, the 20 rupees is variable cost, and I multiply this with the column B. Fixed cost is 5,000 for each and every region. The total cost I add column D and C, and then profit and loss I deduct total sales value from column C to I deduct this column F. So if you are in profit, you find this, and if you are in loss, you will find negative for this. So this is the sheet. Now suppose I want to copy only these values in column I. So first I will do the copy. So if you go to Paste Special, you will find these options. The all is useless because you can do this task by simply copy paste. And then you can if you want to paste only formulas, you have to click formula, value, formats, column, validation, and these things. Similarly, they are the operational Paste Special. If you want to add, for example, this, it is not in use much, but suppose if you want to add some operations like adding to in each column, so you can use these things. Then skip blanks and then transpose. This transpose is very important. I'm going to tell you about this also. So suppose what I was telling, that you have to copy only the value. So just press value and you press OK. So it eliminate all the things and you just copy the value. Now I want to copy this whole values. I press copy, I go to there and Paste Special, and I go to values. See, all the values are same. Earlier it was something else. So this is about value. Let's see what other option we can have. Suppose I want to copy the same formula. Here the formula is that C minus F4. C is 1, 2, 3, 4 before the fourth column, and F is the previous column. So I want to copy the same formula here. Copy, Paste Special, and formulas. The E4 means 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth column, and H4 means the previous column. So I copy paste both. Now I want to do the same for this. I go to copy and then I press Paste Special and formulas. See, 5000 is coming. Why 5000 is coming? The fourth value is 5000, and the next column is h. H is 0, so all the values are coming here. So you can play for formulas also. Let me tell you another function. Suppose for east, you want to color this value as with green. West, you want to color this value with red. North, you want to color this value as yellow. South, you want to color this blue, and center, you want to color this as purple. There are, suppose, some guidelines for your organization that you mention these regions with these colors. Now you want to suppose this time you have different values. You have a value here, for example, 5000, 12,000, 18,000, and let's say 5,000, and it is 0. Okay. So you want to identify this at a glance, that what are these values showing, because if you see that 5000 and 5000 both are the same things. So what you do, you come here, you press copy, and then you come again and you press paste special, and you put on formats. See, all the colors are same. This will not only paste the same colors, but also all the formatting which you have done here. For example, you highlight, you make different numbers or anything. Everything will be copied here in the same manner. So this is another thing. Let me delete this, and let me make this. By the way, do you know this function? If not, let me tell you. You want to have the same format here. Either you have to go to format and this and that, but the shortcut is that you come here, you press this format painter or brush, we call it. You put your brush here. All the format will be same what you have there. Now you want to have the same format for all. So either one way is that you go one by one, or you can go in one shot. You just press this, don't of mouse, don't leave this button, drag it, and then leave it. It will automatically be done. See magic. So now this 0, suppose you want to write some comments so you don't forget. So what you do, you click here. If you want to add any comment, you can add comment, insert comment, and you can write this, that this is break even value. Okay. So now suppose you have the values like this: 0, 5,000, 10,000, 2,000, and 0. Now you want to write down the same comments here as well. So what you do, you again do the copy, and you come here, press the right click, paste special, and then you click on these comments and OK. See, the same comments which were here, you find here. Do the same again, right click, paste special, comments, OK. Same comments are shown here. So this is how you comment. Now very powerful tool I'm going to tell you. Suppose you have these regions here, and you have these values in the column, and these value on the row. You want to put this in the column, and this you want to put in the row. So you want to make a change in the reporting. So how you going to do that? You go there, select all, copy, and then come here, paste special, and then press transpose. See, wow, that's a magic. That all the things which are here, they come in the same manner but in the column. Similarly, you want to put these things here. So go to copy, right click, paste spatial, transpose OK. Wow, that's really great. So you find each and everything here. Now you can put the values and you can play in your report. So these are the some functions we can make in Excel, and they are very helpful and time saving to all of you. I hope this video will be helpful. If you have any question, please write in the comments and I will try to answer you. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do it now and press the bell icon, because I have, as I mentioned, that I have made a very good videos on other topics also, not only Excel. Excel is one series. I have started another series with how to find a job, and then another series how to do business, and there's various successful business how you can do. So a lot of videos I'm going to upload, and make sure that you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching my videos. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.